How wonderful it is to watch the sky after sunset. One would notice one or two bright dots shining in the sky. Soon, the whole sky is filled with them. Wow, so beautiful. This is how your class 6th NCERT starts. But is it true? Is the sky, the night sky, is filled with the stars? Is it so beautiful? Especially if you are living in the city. Now, if you are fortunate and belong to that part of India where you still see countless stars in the sky, then we would love to know where do you live. Unfortunately, I come from that part of India जहाँ पे because of pollution, I see no stars apart from the sun. Now, this was long introduction for such a small chapter. Now let us come to the point. You are all here to learn something new. So let us keep that way. Time is important. In this series, we will focus on concepts and definitions, and facts will be posted on blog. After you finish lesson here, go to the website and solve quiz. The link to the website will be given down below. You all can review each other's answers over there. Most probably the questions will be from UPSC previous year's question papers and NCERTs. So let us begin. Basically in this chapter, we are talking about the objects in the sky, especially the night sky. The stars, the moon, the planets and other shining objects in the night sky are called celestial body. जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स रात के अंधेरे में आसमान में चमकते हुए दिखाई देते हैं उन्हें सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज कहते हैं. इनमें से कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स स्पेशल होते हैं. दे हैव देयर ओन हीट एंड दे रेडिएट लाइट. उन्हें हम स्टार्स कहते हैं. दीज आर स्टार्स. इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट देयर आर सम ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच डू नॉट हैव देयर ओन हीट और लाइट. दीज आर प्लैनेट्स. इनकी ना तो खुद की हीट होती है ना ही इनकी खुद की लाइट होती है. इन्हें हम प्लैनेट बोलते हैं. ऑल्सो देयर आर पैटर्न्स इन नाइट स्काई which are formed from different group of stars. हम एक इमेजिनरी पैटर्न बनाते हैं अपने माइंड में कुछ स्टार्स को एक साथ देखने के बाद. These patterns are called constellations. For example, Big Bear constellations और सप्तर्षि. Now let us move on to the next point. जब हमारे ancestors के पास कंपास नहीं थे तो वो एक स्टार की मदद लेते थे डायरेक्शन जानने के लिए. That star is pole star. Our ancestors took help from one star to find out the direction. The name of that star was a pole star. It is also known as the North Star. This star is fixed in one position with respect to sky, and when our ancestor wanted to know direction in the night sky, they used them. Now let us talk about the solar system. Solar system हमारे family की तरह है. Our father is at the center. He is the sun god and our mother is the earth and we are like Neptune and Uranus. हमारा कुछ काम नहीं है. Jokes apart, solar system consists of 8 planets, some natural satellites, some celestial bodies like asteroids and meteorites. All of these are part of solar family and sun is at the center of the family. Now talking more about the sun. He is star. He is big, huge, extremely hot. He provides pulling force. सारे family member उसे पैसा मांगने आ जाते हैं. He is ultimate source of light. Now let us talk about the planets. There are 8 of them. वो इतने सारे हैं कि उन्हें याद रखने के लिए NCERT ने खुद एक ट्रिक बनाई है. There is a trick to remember them. The trick is that my very efficient mother just served us nuts. अब उसका क्या मतलब है आप कमेंट में नीचे बता दे. All these planets follow a fixed path. These paths are elongated and called orbits. Now let us talk about the Earth. She does not have her own light, but because of her, we are alive. She provides us optimum temperature, neither too hot nor too cold. Also, she provides us water we drink, air we breathe, land we live, and the food we eat. Earth has its own satellite. The name of that satellite is Moon. Moon is natural satellite of the Earth, and interestingly, only one side of the Moon is visible to the Earth because of phenomenon called as tidal locking. This happens because Moon takes same time for one revolution and one rotation. जो रिवोल्यूशन और रोटेशन का गेम है वो हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. नाउ मून डज नॉट हैव वाटर और एयर. वी आर सर्चिंग फॉर वाटर ओवर देयर, बट it has mountains and depressions similar to the Earth. Now let us talk about the two things, that is asteroids and meteoroids. Planets को छोड़ के there are some tiny bodies of rocks between Mars and Jupiter which revolve around the Sun. These are asteroids. And talking about meteoroids, small pieces of rocks which move around Sun randomly. ये meteoroids थोड़े पागल होते हैं. Sometimes they fall on the earth just to create a gadda, that is just to create a hollow. They fall on the earth. Now finally there are millions of stars जिनको मिला के गैलेक्सी तैयार होती है. Then millions of galaxies को मिला के यूनिवर्स तैयार होती है. Millions of stars combine together to form galaxy, and millions of galaxies combine together to form universe. So can you tell me where are we? So this is all from this video, and most importantly, visit blog for full lesson and multiple choice questions. Also, I forgot to talk about one thing. Let us talk about other important object which we left. On your glowing screen in bottom right corner there is one red object. उसको आप दबा भी सकते हैं. You can hit that object and you will see the bell. You can hit that bell too.